Hey there, grammar stars! Today we're diving into something super cool. It's reported speech. Ever wondered how to share what someone said without quoting them directly? Let's crack the code together. Imagine your friend says, "I love pizza." Now you want to tell someone else about it. You could say, "He said he loves pizza." That's reported speech. Easy, right? But wait, there are some rules. Let's break them down. There are two types of speech. 1. Direct speech. You quote exactly what someone said. For example, she said, "I'm tired." And 2. Reported speech. You paraphrase, like this. "She said that she was tired." See the difference? Now let's learn the rules to transform direct into reported speech. Here are 3 golden rules to remember. 1. Change the tense. If the reporting verb is in the past, the tense in the reported speech usually shifts back. Present becomes past, "I am happy," becomes, "He said he was happy." Past becomes past perfect. "I went to school" becomes, "She said she had gone to school." 2. Adjust pronouns, match them to the speaker and listener. "I am busy" becomes, "She said she was busy." 3. Drop quotation marks, question marks, and exclamation marks. Use a that instead. "It's raining" becomes, "He said that it was raining." Simple, right? Reporting questions? Easy peasy. Just remember, for yes or no questions, use if or whether. "Are you coming?" becomes, "She asked if I was coming." For WH questions, keep the question word. "Where are you going?" becomes, "He asked where I was going." Now it's your turn. Let's practice. "I like ice cream." Where do you live? Write your answers in the comments. I'll check them. Great job, everyone! Reported speech isn't so tricky, right? Keep practicing and you'll nail it in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons. See you in the next video!